There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. SMEG SMS05 Forte 5 QT Stand Mixer with 750W motor. Smooth start and steady mix. Flex edge beater, 10 speeds, stainless steel bowl. Bring professional level baking to your kitchen with the SMEG SMF05 Forte Stand Mixer, combining powerful performance with timeless Italian design. Equipped with a high-performance 750-watt direct drive motor, it effortlessly handles everything from airy whipped cream to heavy bread and pizza dough. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough, even mixing, while 10 precision speed settings provide complete control for every recipe. Smooth Start technology gradually increases speed to reduce splashing, and the Steady Mix system maintains consistent performance when mixing dense doughs. Number 2. Alchemist Stand Mixer 6.5 QT660W 6-speed tilt-head food mixer. Kitchen electric mixer with dough hook, wire whip and beater silver, 6.5 QT. Upgrade your baking experience with the Alchemist 6.5 QT stand mixer, designed to deliver powerful performance and reliable results. Equipped with a 660W pure copper motor and 6 variable speed settings with pulse control, it effortlessly mixes dough, batter, cream, and more. The spacious 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl with dual handles is perfect for preparing large batches of cakes, bread, cookies, pastries, muffins, and waffles. Its convenient tilt-head design allows quick access to the bowl and attachments, while the splash guard minimizes mess during mixing. The mixer includes 3 dishwasher-safe accessories: a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater for versatile food preparation. A stylish stainless steel accent and blue LED power indicator add a modern touch to your kitchen. Durable, user-friendly, and easy to clean, this stand mixer is an excellent addition to any home baker's collection. Benefits: saves time and effort with powerful, consistent mixing for a wide variety of recipes. Large 6.5 QT bowl makes it easy to prepare family-sized batches in one go. Number 3. Uni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. Dough stand mixer with attachments, 7.3 quart capacity and 58 speed settings, charcoal gray. Experience professional quality baking at home with this advanced spiral stand mixer. Featuring innovative spiral mixing technology with a rotating bowl, spiral dough hook, and removable breaker bar. It develops stronger gluten for perfectly textured bread, pizza, and artisan dough. With 58 precision speed settings ranging from 60 to over 1,000 revolutions per minute, you can easily customize mixing for every recipe. Beyond dough preparation, the included flexible beater and geared whisk make whipping cream, mixing cake batter, cookies, and frosting effortless. Built for durability and consistent performance, this mixer combines power, precision, and versatility in one sleek design. Easy to operate and clean, it is the ideal kitchen companion for home bakers seeking professional results with every batch. Benefits: create stronger gluten development for softer bread, chewier pizza, and consistently better baking results. Offers precise speed control and versatile attachments for everything from kneading dough to whipping cream. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal 5 QT Stand Mixer with 12 speeds, stainless steel bowl for 150 watts, attachment hub, flat beater, dough hook, whisk. Take your baking and cooking to the next level with this powerful 450W stand mixer, designed to tackle everything from light batters to heavy bread dough with ease. Its planetary mixing action ensures complete bowl coverage for smooth, consistent results every time. The durable 5-quart stainless steel bowl features a convenient handle for easy lifting, while the splash shield helps minimize mess during mixing. Included flat beater, whisk, and spiral dough hook provide versatility for cakes, cookies, whipped cream, pizza dough, and more. Compatible with specialty attachments for added functionality, the sturdy, easy-to-clean mixer is a reliable kitchen companion that delivers excellent performance and lasting value for everyday baking. Benefits: powerful 450W motor handles thick batters and heavy dough with consistent, reliable performance. Number 5. Cuisinart Stand Mixer, 12-speed, 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl, chef's whisk, mixing paddle, dough hook, splash guard W/pour spout, ruby red, SM50R. Enjoy professional performance in your kitchen with this premium 500W stand mixer, built with durable die-cast metal construction for long-lasting reliability. Featuring 12 speed settings, it provides precise control for mixing cake batters, kneading bread dough, whipping cream, and more. The generous 5.5-quart mixing bowl and convenient tilt-back head make adding ingredients and changing attachments quick and effortless. A splash guard helps keep countertops clean, while the included chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle handle a variety of recipes with ease. Dishwasher-safe accessories ensure simple cleanup, and optional attachments for pasta, meat grinding, and frozen desserts make this mixer a versatile addition to any kitchen. Benefits: powerful 500W motor with 12 speeds delivers precise mixing for a wide variety of baking and cooking tasks. Expand your kitchen creativity with optional attachments for pasta, meat grinding, and frozen desserts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.